How to change custom homepage on Samsung internet browser. So if you want to change your custom homepage on internet browser on Samsung internet browser to google.com or to Yahoo or a default website, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your default homepage on Samsung internet browser, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the internet browser on your Samsung phone. Then click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Now, once you see this page, locate settings and click on it. Now here, scroll down, click on home page. Then you should see your default home page, quick access current page. And now to change or set custom home page on your Samsung internet browser, click on settings. Then delete the existing home page. And then type in the address of the page you want to set as your default home page on your Samsung phone. So just go ahead, type it like this, click on save. So if the website address is correct, the moment you open the Samsung internet browser, then your default home page will be set to that. So let's just go ahead, delete all of this. Then click on new tab. Then you should see your default home page set to the website address you typed in. That is it. So that is basically how to change default home page on Samsung internet browser. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.